Hi, I'm Caitlin from BlueWare, and thank you so much for joining me in this BlueWare BestBond video tutorial. In this video, we're going to go over the advanced search functions of document search. Document search is just like patient search and encounter search, but with its own little twist. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. You will find document search to be very similar to both patient search and encounter search. So by now, you'll be a BestBond search expert. In order to get to the document search screen, you first must go to the search menu in the navigation pane and select Document Search. You can get to Document Search from any screen within BestBond. Document search is meant to be a tool to help you find a specific document or a series of document types. There are many ways to find a specific document. You can search by encounter ID, which will give you all of the documents of that encounter, or you can search by patient, which will give you a list of all of the patient's documents. If you search by document type, it will give you a list of all of the documents of that specific document type. For example, if you selected nurse's notes from the document type dropdown, the search results will only present documents that are considered to be nurse's notes. The key description search field is a special search field within BestBond that works like a regular search engine, in which you type in keywords regarding the document you're looking for, and BestBond will bring up all of the relevant material based on those keywords. The last name and first name search fields are there to help you find documents relating to a patient in the case that you don't have the exact patient ID or encounter ID. The provider search function helps you find documents that were created at a specific branch of your hospital network. And finally, the date range search helps you find documents that were created during a certain time period. Important things to point out on this screen are, first, encounter ID and patient IDs cannot be partially entered. You must have the complete number in order for the search to work. This protects other patients' information. Second, for patient name on the other hand, you may type in partial names in the case you don't know the correct spelling. Third, the date range entry works just like all of the other date entries within BestBond, which means you may manually type in the date using your keyboard, or you may use the calendar icon on the right-hand side to find your date. Once you've completed your search, at the bottom of the screen you'll be presented with your search results. This time, we only have 7 columns to help us isolate the specific document we're looking for. The columns include the FastPath, patient name, patient ID, encounter ID that the document is associated with, the document type, creation date, and finally, the provider. The FastPath column, you'll notice, is a little different than the patient search and the encounter search FastPath columns. This time, there's only the lightning bolt icon and it has no number next to it because it's associated with the one specific document. When you click on the lightning bolt icon, it takes you directly to the document display screen of that particular document. The name column presents the patient that the document is associated with and is a clickable link that directs you to the patient demographic screen of the patient shown. The patient ID and encounter IDs are also clickable, only they go to the audit log of either the entire patient record by clicking on the patient ID number, or a minimized audit log of the particular encounter by clicking on the encounter ID number. The document type, document date, and provider columns present to you what kind the document is, when it was created or last modified, and where it was created or last modified. Just like all of the other search results screens, you are able to sort the results by any of the column headers just by clicking on them. And just like the encounter search results, you are able to select multiple documents from the screen to view in the document display screen. To do so, all you have to do is click on the documents you want to select in the document type column, or basically any area that isn't a link. When you have a document selected, it will be highlighted in blue. Once you have all of the documents you would like to view selected, you may proceed to the document display screen by clicking on the Display Documents button on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. That concludes the material of this video. In the next video, we're going to cover the Encounter Select screen. This is the screen that displays after you've either selected a patient or you've selected multiple encounters from the Encounter Search screen. Alright, thank you so much for joining me in this video tutorial, and as always, on behalf of everyone from BlueWare, thank you for using BestBond, and I'll see you in the next video.